if anybody. But now this some student want to go to the foreign country. At first need to English. Otherwise, he cannot get any good job. If anybody learning the English, if anywhere go, suppose he technical this word not understand. Speaking the English, he understand. Then any official also he gets the job. Any official, because English must be, English is international language. If anywhere, any place, any country, he want to go to the this tourist or for the job, must be at first need to English. Otherwise, he cannot get the any good job. So anybody want to learn English, I also this learning him. No problem for me. My mobile number also give. Please contact with me. No problem. And I want to this any group with online to English learning the. If anybody want to online group is making, then you contact with me. I mobile to this online teaching the English. How teaching the learning the English? All everything I tell to this everybody with. Because English is very easy. Somebody tell to English is very hard. But no, English not hard. English is very easy. Suppose if how you know English, example, together, friend to friend or girlfriend to boyfriend, ask, what is your name? What you breakfast take? What you this night sleeping? What time you get the this what time you get what time you get this if small sentence this at first ask, but then you big sentence making the this qualification, no problem. But I have qualification very low, so I have qualification only SSC pass from the Bhateshwar High School 1991. So I have not qualification. I am very sorry. This is qualification very high, so I have not qualification very high. But somebody have Bangladesh B honors or HSC pass or master degree pass. He already he know, but not speaking the English. Not speaking the English. I am English is speaking. Anybody with contact with me, no problem. Any group online too. I this learning him, no problem for me.
Okay.